Okay, guys, I just want to clarify a couple of things about the project. I'm going to go ahead and put some equations in for you. Um, and I know you already know how to do this part. We kind of talked about it in class, and then if you missed, then you were able to watch the video and figure that out. But I have two circles in here, and so part of the project says you have to label your shapes. And so if you'll go up to the plus sign, and we want to click Note, um, the first one that I created was a circle, and I'll just drag that on top of that. And then I created another circle. If you had a rose or you had a cardioid or something like that, then you would just type that there to label what your shapes are right above the equation. Okay, so that's what we meant by having the labels for the different equations or the different graphs. And then it also talks about having a system of equations in your rubric. This would be a system of equations, and we just want to talk about basically where they intersect. These two equations together are a system, and so it says something about a table. So if you do plus sign and you go down to table, it's going to start off with x1, y1, and we actually can change that. We want this to actually be theta, okay? And then we want this to be r1. And then we can click over to the right and you can even add an R2. Notice that it doesn't automatically have the 2. And I get the exclamation saying, oh no, you're bad, you can't do this. Well, if you just add a 2 and I didn't do anything special, I just pushed the number 2 on my keyboard, it does put it down, as the subscript to where you can fill that in. And so you need to fill in a few values here for theta, where that would be on R1, where that would be on R2. And I would prefer once you do that you drag it after your system of equations to satisfy that on the rubric. So I hope that clarifies for you the difference, what we meant or what was meant on the rubric by labeling. It's just naming the shape. That's all you're having to do there, and then how to get a table. And those are both done through the plus sign. You want to do note for labeling it, and you want to do table for putting in the table of values. Have a great break. Bye.